Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel out here, and today we are going to talk about a variant which is Lenovo's amazing version out here, IdeaPad 110 out here. Yes, it can be also considered 110 Ultra book version out there, but yes, this is a very amazing version. IdeaPad series का variant है ये. Talking about this variant, talking about this version 110 out here, we can say that it is also very thin design and a sleek design variant out here, offering you a weight of 2.2 kgs out there. Yes, the weight is approximately 2.2 kgs, offering you a good variety in connectivity cells out there as well as battery work out there. Talking about this variant, we can see that it has got a weight of 2.2 kgs out there, as well as Windows 10 Home Edition inbuilt in it. Yes, these are the two additional factors inbuilt in it, or a good functional phone out there. Talking about this variant, we can see that Windows 10 Home Edition is seen out there, but it offers you a work hour of 3 to 6 hours work hour. Yes, if you would like to know about the battery working hour, then it is approximately 3 to 6 hours out there. Apart from that, it has got a good screen size of 15.6 inches, offering you a normal pixelation, that is a native resolution of 1366 into 769 pixels. Yes, this is the native resolution out, and that can be seen in this variant also. Talking about the Intel processing or the processing system inbuilt in it, it uses Intel's different processor, that is Intel Cellular Dual Core out there, that is fourth generation processor out there. Overall, we can say that this is a very good version, offering you good functionality, good variations out there, as well as a great functional phone variant out there, a very good laptop out, because these kind of functional varieties were very good back then. But yes, definitely in today's time, if we talk about today's gadgets out there, then they have been upgraded a lot. Talking about this variant, we can say it offers you 4 GB RAM along with Intel HD graphics out there. Yes, the graphical processor, if we talk about graphical processing, we talk about that is Intel HD graphics out there along with 4 GB graphics out there. 4 GB is the RAM quality, offering you a good RAM. Talking about this RAM, we can see that internal storage is also good. That is 1 TB storage. Yes, 1 TB storage is seen out in this variant. So this is overall a very good, we can say, functional, very important things about this variant. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good range of connectivity, great range of webcam out there. But when we talk about this variant, we can see that the keyboard has got quite a good arrangement of the keys, as well as a multi-touch point could be seen out for the mouse control. It might not be a touch variant, but yes, definitely a multi-touch mouse control is seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to see Bluetooth 4 connectivity and Wi-Fi connectivity, along with the internet and ethical connectivities out here. Since it is a webcam variant out here, it offers you 0.3 megapixel web camera. So video recording is also possible, but not on a very good version out there. Definitely, it offers you a good stereotype speakers. And when we talk about speakers, we cannot neglect out the fact that it has got an inbuilt digital microphone. Yes, inbuilt digital microphone is also seen out in this variant. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you, or 110 offers you good connectivity with the jack systems, as well as when we talk about jack system, it has got audio input and output jack out here, that is known as handset jack or the microphone jack out there. USB jack systems are there. Along with that, you also get to see card readers jack, power connectors jacks out there. These all jack system could be seen out in this variant. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, today's we do versions are not DVD writers out there, but this variant is a DVD writer out there. Yes, DVD optical writer could be seen out in this version. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a great range of connectivities out, along with the battery life. Everything is quite good. Now, when we talk about this variant, we can see that this variant offers a great range of pricing also. So let us visit a site which offers a good pricing for this. Talking about the pricing, we have got this site that is just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com. And we were searching here Lenovo's 110 out there. Yes, I was searching this kind of a version out at this site. So we are going to see this is the result out here. So this is the result of our search, and we get to see that there is a small description box at the end, and you also get to see that there is a condition called refurbished. So let us talk about this condition also so that we know what is refurbished product. Talking about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Yes, when we say refurbished, the word itself means that it is something brand new, like yes, it clearly states that it means something brand new, like. Whereas brand new is always a brand new that is absolutely new out here, which is for the very first time released out. So we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Whereas when we talk about the functionality, if we talk about structurality, whether they are similar or not, yes, they are also similar. They are actually same. We can say they are actually same out here. But definitely, there is a difference out here. Brand new products are actually untouched, or we again say for the very first time released out in the market. Whereas refurbished, if we talk about the word refurbished, then they are actually pre-owned gadgets or any pre-owned device or anything which has been pre-owned. Refurbished means that which is once pre-owned. Every brand new product, uh, we cannot say that brand new products are always refurbished, because sometimes it happens that they are not in the market out after a long period of time. But yes, every refurbished product was once a brand new. Yes, every refurbished product was once a brand new one. As well as when we talk about refurbished and brand new, their pathway is also quite same, and we can say that refurbished is an extension of brand new. How we say that? We know every pathway is followed by a systematic way, that is base, mediator, and consumer. We know that. But in brand new, if we talk about brand new products, then we can say that the brand new products are like base is the company. Yes, when we talk about the base, it is the company out here. Whereas mediator is the marketplace or the place from where company and the user interact out. So that is the marketplace or the mediator or the bridge, we can say. Apart from that, if we talk about the consumers, then you can say that consumers are nothing else but the users. Yes, we the users are the consumers out here. So this is what brand new is all about. Now the user have a gadget and it is being owned by that person. Now that person is tired or want to resell it, then the gadget, that pre-owned gadget actually is resold in the marketplace and it becomes refurbished. So here the base is the user who has the gadget inbuilt in it, the gadget in hand out there. So that is the user out here. Now reselling is it also take place in the marketplace also. Yes, it is taking place in the marketplace. It can be online sites, offline sites out there. Everything could be said out. Now once the gadget is in the marketplace and now the new user takes it out, then it is known as a refurbished gadget. Now what are the similarities? Now, what are the similarities out there? Matlab, when we talk about refurbished gadgets and brand new products, what are the similarities out there? The similarities lies in the structurality and the functionality purpose. Now, structurality, if we talk about structure, then we can say the design is actually same. Yes, the design is quite same out here. Whereas if we talk about the functions, then we can say that the functionality is also same. The work it used to do when it was released out, it does the same work out there. So this is what actually happens out. Now let us talk about the, we can say, tests out there or the structural functionalities out there. Then we can say that there are few parameters. Yes, there are parameters which defines the test or the gadgets testimoniality. Now these gadgets testimoniality are determined by the same test which were determining the brand new products. When we talk brand new products, then we can say that the brand new products and the refurbished product have the same test, whether it includes the external or the internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say the external parameters are like the design it has, the screen size, the display it uses, scratches out there, buttons out there, points or the ports out there which have been inbuilt in it. They, as well as all the other specifications which externally we can see whether the mouse control is working properly or not. Multi-touch if it is having, then how is it working? The control panels are working properly or not out there. The external functional keys are working or not. So this is what external features includes out. Now, once it has been checked, external functionality is checked, external design is checked out, everything is done. We come to the next procedure, next parameter, that is the internal parameters. Now, these internal parameters are nothing else but the internal components which have to be tested. Like you talk about the Intel processor or any kind of processor which is being inbuilt in it. Yes, it is not necessary that always every gadget will be having Intel processor only. So every processor which has been inbuilt in it, the operating system, if it uses any kind of operating system, then what kind of operating system it is using, is it working properly or not? Then after that it comes out to be the another factor, that is the internal RAM, internal storage capacity, internal parts like connectivity is there or not, microphone is working or not out there. External ports we have talked about, so whether these ports are giving proper output or not. Like if you have a jack system, so whether the jack input and output is good or not, like audio input and output is good or not, camera quality is good or not, that has to also be checked out there. Whether the camera is working or not, that is the first main thing when it comes to camera. So internally every component has to be checked, which we check in battery life, how long it is working out and how long it need to be charged, the battery is working properly or not, everything has to be checked. So this is all about the internal external parameters which need to be checked out. And once we check these parameters, then we can say, and they have crossed all the parameters, it is assured that the product quality is good, as well as it is ready to have a good service out there. So overall, we can say there is a quality check out here. That product has been refurbished, that product is renewed. Why renewed? If any part is not working properly, then it has to be replaced with the original parts, not any duplicate or the unknown parts. It has to be checked out and see the original part has to be replacing that particular origin part out there. As well as these internal parameters are not just checked out through normal testing, there are specialized equipments to check them, so you can be assured when it comes to testimoniality. Now, apart from that, if we talk about these products, then we can say there are actually premium quality goods out there inbuilt in it. So these are the same parameters which check out the brand new products. So refurbished and brand new have the same design, same functionality, same test. So overall, we can say they are quite similar, except the fact that brand new gadgets are actually first release out there, whereas refurbished are pre-owned gadgets. Now, talking about the benefits of these products, so let us talk about the benefits of having a refurbished product. So, when we talk about benefits, the first point comes out to be the pocketable rates. Yes, the first point comes out to be the pocketable rate. Now, when we talk about pocketable rates, what does this pocketable rate mean? It means that the refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets have come up with a rating which are not going to cost your pocket at all. Yes, the rates are going to be very cost effective. They are very effective out there. Whereas when we talk about the brand new products, they are slightly expensive. Yes, first time release are always expensive also. So you find that these are slightly expensive. But when we talk about the comparison, then yes, refurbished products are quite profitable. So you get to save also. That's this point two and another benefit, that you get to save a good amount of savings. Now we can save a good amount of savings which we can use for next product out there. So this is the main reason why we say that refurbished products are really good. We already know that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty out there. But when we take any or we own any pre-owned gadget, mostly we don't get any warranty period out here. But if you have a category out there refurbished, then you get to have a savings of 6 months. Yes, you can have a warranty period of 6 months also. Apart from that, you also get to have 70 exchange policy. So these are the two additional benefits of this site also, as well as this product. When we talk about refurbished gadgets, refurbished category out here, then you get to have 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy also. So these are the benefits of having refurbished products over brand new. So let us talk about the website once again, so that we do not miss out anything. So this is the website we were talking about, and the website name was justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com, where you get to have your favorite laptops, PCs, your favorite gadgets at a very reasonable rates out there. As well as it offers you COD. Yes, it offers you COD, as well as this site offers you some amazing things that are like free home delivery. Yes, you get to have free home delivery, money back guarantee, as well as a support system. Yes, you get to have a support system also. So these are the additional benefits of this site. You can also check out the search icon where you get to see your favorite gadgets, or you also get to have all brand laptops out here, which offers you a great brand products out there. So you can check out the website. For best deals, do visit out the website. Link has been given in the description, or you can go on Google and type just at click.com. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.